Ready to set up your new Ruggable Pet Bed? Let's get started. Your shipment comes with a washable mattress cover, which may already be on the mattress cushion when it arrives, a bolster cushion, and a washable bolster cover. Let's start with the bolster first. Lay down the outer bolster cover with the bottom side facing up. Then, unzip it fully. Insert the bolster cushion into the outer bolster cover. Make sure that the bottom flat side of the bolster cushion is facing up. Then, zip up the cover. Flip the bolster over and smooth out any wrinkles. Make sure the cover fits evenly around the cushion. Now, grab the mattress. The outer mattress cover may already be on the cushion, but if not, insert the cushion into the cover with the Ruggable label on the bottom. Push the mattress down evenly into the center hole of the bolster, ensuring that the mattress sits flat on the floor. Then, smooth out any wrinkles with your hands. And that's it, you're all set. Now, time to get back to the good stuff.